Here, amidst towering cliffs and the endless cascade of water, lies a truly remarkable passage, a place where nature's grandeur holds undisputed sway. Through this monumental landscape, a pioneering creation of humankind glides silently, its transparent form offering an unparalleled intimacy with the elements. Sunlight catches on the spray, creating fleeting rainbows, a testament to the raw power surrounding. For from within, the passengers bear witness to an ancient dance of water and rock, a journey through a living, breathing testament to Earth's enduring majesty. A harmonious blend of engineering and the sublime,